Today, I'm reviewing AT&T Internet based on my personal experience using their service. AT&T offers both fiber and DSL options, but availability depends on your location. One of the biggest selling points is their fiber optic service, which promises gigabit speeds. However, not everyone has access to AT&T fiber, and their DSL service is much slower and less reliable. When I first signed up, the advertised speeds looked great. AT&T claims speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second with fiber, but in reality, performance can vary. In my case, I did experience fast speeds during off-peak hours, but during high traffic times, speeds drop significantly. This is something to consider if you work from home, stream content, or do online gaming. Another major factor is pricing. AT&T's promotional rates seem competitive, but after the first 12 months, prices increase. The fine print also includes hidden fees, installation fees, equipment rental fees, and additional charges that aren't always clear when you sign up. Make sure to read the terms carefully, so you're not surprised by unexpected costs. Customer service is another mixed aspect. AT&T provides support through phone, chat, and in-store visits, but wait times can be long. Some users report great experiences, while others struggle with billing issues and slow problem resolution. Personally, I had a frustrating experience resolving an outage, and it took multiple calls to get an answer. Reliability is one of the most critical factors for an internet provider. AT&T fiber is generally stable, but the DSL service can be inconsistent, with frequent slowdowns and outages. If you're considering AT&T, make sure to check which service is available in your area, as fiber users tend to have a much better experience. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another issue to consider is data caps. AT&T does impose data limits on some plans, particularly their non-fiber services. If you exceed these limits, you could be hit with additional charges or throttled speeds. If you're a heavy internet user, such as someone who streams 4K video or downloads large files regularly, this could be a major drawback. One positive aspect of AT&T is their bundling options. If you already have AT&T wireless service, you may be able to save money by bundling your internet with your phone plan. They also offer discounts for DirecTV and HBO Max subscribers. However, these bundles lock you into contracts, so be sure to evaluate whether they actually save you money in the long run. In terms of equipment, AT&T provides a modem router combo, but it's not always the best. Some users prefer using their own routers to get better performance. If you're tech-savvy, this might be a good option to optimize your network. So is AT&T Internet worth it? It depends on your needs. If you have access to AT&T fiber, it can be a solid choice with fast speeds and stable performance. However, if you're stuck with DSL, you may experience slow speeds, reliability issues, and frustrating customer service. Make sure to read the fine print before signing up to avoid hidden fees and unexpected charges. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Let me know in the comments about your experience with AT&T Internet.